Good day all, good news for Hamster Kombat lovers. Hamster Kombat airdrop listing date announced. You can see in Hamster Kombat announcement channel, it is declared that September 26th is the Hamster Kombat listing date, TGN listing date. You can go to the Hamster Kombat. In here, you in the airdrop tab, you can see the airdrop date is September 26th, and in the airdrop allocations is based on the sum of the points. In here you can see all the activities based on the some key indicators. It will declare the airdrop points. Please do the all the tasks in the Hamster Kombat game. In here you can collect the keys and also the profit per hour, like that they are considered more tasks. In here you can see earn tasks, friends, achievements, Telegram subscription. They will give some of the points. In here, to withdraw the Hamster Kombat airdrop, you should connect your Ton wallet. For more details, like and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more future videos. Thank you.